Hello everyone. Welcome back to KAVU Creative. In this Illustrator tutorial, we're going to design a unique geometric artwork using only a few simple tools. Today's design is called Square Orbit Pattern. Let's start. Double-click on Artboard tool. Open the settings. Turn on Show Center Mark. Click OK. Select the rectangular grid tool. Hold the Alt key. Click the center mark. Set the width to 300 pixels. Set the height to 300 pixels. Set horizontal dividers to 5. Set vertical dividers to 5. Click OK. Select the Shape Builder tool. Convert the stroke to a fill. The plus icon means the shapes can be joined. Right-click. Select Ungroup. Select the entire design. Hold the Shift key and click the section you want to keep. Press Delete to remove the remaining lines. Select all the shapes. Select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key. Click the center point. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D 2 times. Now, add the colors. Select the Eyedropper tool. Hold the Control key. Select the shape. It will switch to the Selection tool. Release the Control key. It will switch back to the Eyedropper tool. You can also use your favorite colors. Select all the shapes. Open the Object menu. Select Expand. Keep Fill and Stroke checked. Click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel. Click Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click the white border. Press Delete. Remove the border. Awesome! Your square orbit pattern is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please leave a like. For more Adobe Illustrator tutorials, subscribe to KAVU Creative. Keep learning, keep designing, keep creating. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.